WeCP lets you assess PySpark experts on their hands-on expertise with PySpark. Let's see how it works. After you send a PySpark assessment to candidates, candidates open the task on the browser. On the left side of your window, you can see a problem description where you are given two tasks. The first task is to create a resilient distributed dataset from the list of words and count number of words in the dataset. The second task is to read the text file given and count the number of lines in the file using resilient distributed dataset. You can find this list of words and files you are required to have in the main file. You are given brief detail of both the tasks here. Now let's implement the code. Here you can see I have implemented the code to create a resilient distributed dataset and count the number of words in this dataset. Down below I have implemented the function to read the text file and count the number of lines in the file. Let's run our code. Our code ran successfully. We have got the number of words in the resilient distributed dataset, and here are the number of lines in the text file we were required to find. Let's submit our code to test it against the provided test cases. You can see our code has passed all the test cases. Hence, we have completed our PySpark assignment.